Hamad International Airport, located in Doha, Qatar, is the country's primary international airport and a major global hub, serving as the main base for Qatar Airways. Opened on April 30, 2014, it replaced the older Doha International Airport and is named after the former Emir, Hamad bin Khalifa Al Thani. Situated 4 kilometers south of central Doha, the airport occupies 3,600 hectares, with half built on reclaimed land. From the Persian Gulf, it is renowned for its architectural grandeur, efficiency and world-class amenities, earning accolades like Skytrax's World's Best Airport in 2021 and 2022. The airport features a single, expansive 600,000 m passenger terminal with 5 concourses and 65 contact gates, 6 designed for Airbus A380 South. It has 2 parallel runways, 4,850 meters and 4,250 meters, among the world's longest, handling up to 100 takeoff and landing movements hourly. In 2024, it served 52.7 million passengers, 279,000 aircraft movements, and 2.6 million tons of cargo. The airport's capacity is set to reach 50 million passengers annually post-expansion. Design and features. Designed with a wave-shaped, stainless steel roof resembling ocean waves, the terminal incorporates an oasis theme with desert plants and water motifs. Notable art installations include the 7-meter-tall Lamp Bear by Urs Fischer and Small Lie by Kaws. The 23,000 square meters passenger terminal complex includes 138 check-in counters, with 14 private booths for Qatar Airways first-class passengers. Qatar duty-free spans 40,000 square meters, offering luxury boutiques, electronics and souvenirs. Amenities. The airport boasts over 66 dining options, from Qatari cuisine at Baladna to international chains like Burger King and Gordon Ramsay's Street Pizza. Lounges include the luxurious Al Safwa First Lounge with spa and cinema, and Al Mourjan Business Lounge, accessible to premium passengers. Free Wi-Fi, sleep pods, quiet rooms, a 25-meter swimming pool, and a gym at the Vitality Wellbeing and Fitness Center enhance passenger comfort. Unique lounges cater to unaccompanied minors and children on the autism spectrum. Located near Doha's city center, the airport connects via the Doha Metro Red Line, buses, taxis and ride-sharing apps like Uber. Car rental services and premium parking are available. An indoor cable liner connects concourses for seamless transit. The airport is a hub for Qatar Airways, serving over 170 destinations. Recent expansions added concourses D and E in March 2025, increasing gates by 20%. The maintenance hangar, the world's largest, services up to 13 aircraft.